Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting video for you all about metal table leg ideas that can help you make money. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast looking to create unique furniture pieces or a small business owner looking to add some flair to your products, these metal table leg ideas are sure to inspire you. So, let's dive in. Hairpin legs. Hairpin legs are a classic choice for creating stylish and modern tables. These simple, sleek legs are easy to install and can be customized in various colors and sizes. You can source hairpin legs in bulk and sell them individually or use them to create one-of-a-kind tables for your customers. Industrial pipe legs. Industrial pipe legs are another popular choice for creating rustic and industrial-style tables. These sturdy and durable legs can be easily assembled with pipes and fittings, allowing you to customize the height and width of your table. You can sell these pipe legs as a standalone product or use them to create custom tables for your clients. Geometric legs. Geometric legs are a trendy and eye-catching option for those looking to add a modern touch to their tables. These unique legs come in various shapes and designs, such as triangles, hexagons, and diamonds, allowing you to create truly unique pieces. You can experiment with different materials, such as steel or brass, to create custom geometric legs that will stand out in the market. Foldable legs. Foldable legs are a practical and space-saving option for those looking to create versatile tables. These legs can be easily folded and stored when not in use, making them ideal for small spaces or on-the-go use. You can market these foldable legs as a convenient solution for customers who need portable tables for events or outdoor activities. There you have it, folks, for metal table leg ideas that can help you make money. Whether you're a DIY enthusiast looking to create unique furniture pieces or a small business owner looking to expand your product line, these ideas are sure to inspire you. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more creative DIY and business tips. Thanks for watching.